south east corner of the property is about 150 yards that way. And cross fences are, one's about 50 yards this way, one's about 150 yards that way. And so this is the south east corner of the property.
Here we have this deer hunting shack, and you said that's hold up to 10 people.
Yeah, we've had 10 people in it,
Okay,
including grandkids.
all right. Killed a lot of deer there.
Yeah.
We're going to be traveling back down this way to get to the gun range and the food plots. So I wanted you to see the view of the area here. All right. I'm going to